Welcome back to our channel. Today we want to draw a cute hedgehog. Let's start. I'll start with this funny hedgehog. First, we need a bigger circle for her eyes. And then we fill two smaller circles inside it and then around the small circles with black color. I love animals, so you can watch a lot of animal drawing tutorials on my channel. We need a face for this cute animal to make it more complete with eyebrows and nose. Continue your drawing without rushing, and you can use the eraser wherever necessary. Look here. Now we have a smiling hedgehog with this cute mouth. Did you know that hedgehogs make grunting noises, which is why they're called hedgehogs? They sound a bit like little pigs when they snort and grunt while searching for food. Hedgehogs are also known for their unique way of protecting themselves. When they feel threatened, they roll into a tight, spiky ball, making it hard for predators to get to them. Imagine a tiny, prickly ball rolling around your garden. Hedgehogs are nocturnal, which means they are mostly active at night and sleep during the day. They love to search for food at night and eat insects, worms, and even fruits. Another interesting fact about hedgehogs is that they are good swimmers. Yes, you heard that right. Hedgehogs can swim and use their little legs to move through the water. Lastly, hedgehogs have a very strong sense of smell. They can detect the scent of food from far away and move towards it. This strong sense of smell helps them find their food in the dark nights. It seems that we are slowly painting a complete hedgehog. We have painted the legs and it says, now it is the turn of the spines on the back of our hedgehog. Great job, little friends. Now that you've been with me all this way, go ahead and subscribe right now and turn our white heart red. Now that our drawing is complete and we're ready to start coloring, gather your coloring supplies. You can use watercolors, wash, colored pencils, or colorful markers. Let's bring our artwork to life with some vibrant colors. Prepare your brown color to start coloring. Don't forget that you can use any color you like.
boughs of holly. Fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly. Fa la 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel. Fa la 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol. Fa la 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 la. Year passes, fa la 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 la. Hail the new year, lads and lasses, fa la 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 la. Sing we joyous all together, fa la 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 la. Heedless of the wind and weather, fa la 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 la. Deck the halls with boughs of holly, fa la 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 la.
My beautiful little ones, thank you for being with me so far. Don't forget to subscribe so that you can watch all the videos on my channel. If you enjoy the video, like it and share it with your friends. I'll see you soon.